Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.